Welcome back to the Two Guys Named Chris show. Lisa Lanier is our official attorney on this program. She joins us every week at this time. It's always good to go inside the numbers on legal cases. Lawyer Up is the segment. We have several good ones today. We have an update on that very first one, too, about the Jersey Mike's birthday kerfuffle.
This has stuck with me all week.
In Baltimore, yes.
I'm so torn on it.
Lisa is on with, hello, Lisa, how are you?
Hey, I'm fantastic. I hope you guys are.
Doing very well, thank you. Here's the deal. A woman went into Jersey Mike's in Baltimore. It was her birthday about a week ago. She wanted a free birthday sub. She went to the counter. She said, give me my sub. He told her, allegedly, get the F out. She said, what'd you say to me? Then she starts filming. I'll warn you, this has very nearly profanity in it. It's beeped, but it's close to real profanity here.
Yeah, I bet she won't say nothing now.
My name is David.
Yeah, what you say? Get the f out, right?
Mm-hmm. Please
yeah,
and thank you.
That's what you
Why?
said, right?
Why?
No, don't try to be nice. You said get the f out, right? You said get the f out, right? Say it now. Say get the f
out.
Okay, yeah.
Please
okay.
and thank you.
Jersey
Please
Mike.
and thank you.
Yeah.
Broke ass is cutting the $10.
Because it's my birthday and I asked for a birthday.
It's your birthday.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
She's considering legal action against the Jersey Mikes in question.
God, imagine being the next guy in line.
Customers were leaving like crazy.
Yeah, this just going on and you're just there. I'll have the turkey and provolone.
Mike's way.
Yeah.
Can I get it Mike's way? F out of here.
Yeah.
You want it Mike's way. My ass.
I will pay for mine.
It is not my birthday.
It is not my birthday.
Today is not my birthday.
I hear you guys have chicken salad now.
I like your bread. We speculated that she did not go about it the right way. She didn't have enough shore points. What they do is on your birthday, if you're a member of the club and you're got the app and everything, they put 72 shore points into your app and you get a free sub anytime you want it. Well, now I'm reading she did have all that. And she was invited for a free sub, and for whatever reason, he told her to get the F out. I don't know if she has a lawsuit here, Lisa. What do you think?
Well, apparently it was preceded by either him telling her that he couldn't process it or something. I mean, it may have started out as like some kind of a computer glitch or something. That's kind of what some of the accounts implied. But it's hard to know because that part wasn't recorded. But man, I mean, she was really mad, but he was also really inappropriate for an employee to talk to a customer like that. It was both of them. And, the bleeping in that is hilarious because it comes in so late. Like, you hear every after your birthday and all that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes.
So from a legal standpoint, there was no physical contact. So she doesn't have like an assault and battery. Ugly words. If you're just cussing somebody, that's not enough. You have to make very concrete, believable threats for words to amount to any kind of assault and battery. So here, the only thing that I can imagine that she could have a claim about, if she can make some kind of a discrimination case out of it or something, if she was targeted because she was African American, if they don't, if they only question African American people about the points, if a white person walks in and they go, oh, no problem, it's your birthday, it doesn't matter about the glitch in the system, if it's that, then there's a problem. But that's going to be hard to prove, and it just seems like, for whatever reason, either he didn't think it was legit or she didn't have the points or whatever. But it's just even if you've got an upset customer, I don't know, it's F your birthday seems a little out of the handbook playbook,
You know what I said? Here's the debate we had. I said if I was the guy and if I was his boss, I would say, just make the sub. Make her happy. It's one sub, and you've got a customer for life. You say, you know what? I can't process this, but happy birthday. What do you want? It's on us today. But then a lot of people said, they called in and they said, no, you can't. You can't do that. You can't just do it for one. You got to do it for everybody, and you can't allow yourself to be run over.
You also don't want to encourage your employees to allow people to berate them because then more people will do it.
Yes. So I don't know.
I mean, the online response to this has been pretty overwhelmingly favorable to the employee. So, while his words were not model employee words, I think, more people have tended to side with him about it. So I don't think it's going to go anywhere in terms of legal action. And I don't think Jersey Mike's is doing anything. I'm sure that they're talking to him about his language because you don't ever want anyone to, even if the customer is calling you names or whatever. I don't think you ever want your look to be Jersey Mike's tell somebody to F their birthday.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I do love, though, when she's pushing, he finally says it real low. She's like, say it again. He's like, get the F out.
And then he calls her a goofy ass, I think.
Freebie thing.
Yeah.
People do this birthday freebie thing like crazy. I know people, like professional people, who, when it's their birthday, they drive all around town to get like their free donut and their free sandwich and their free whatever. I'm like, do you not have a job or something you need to be doing today? Like,
I know. I know. You don't. I know one woman went viral last year. She got 20 things.
Oh, yeah.
Pizza and donuts.
the whole thing.
Well, all these club places now, they want to know your birthday when you sign up for something because they want to give you a discount or give you something free.
Jeez. My idea was everybody that wins a prize here who was a P1, give us your birthday, and BB Shea will write you a handwritten letter to thank you for listening and wish you a happy birthday. Ooh. So we're hoping to employ that here soon.
Mm-hmm.
He's the guy to do
and
that.
no matter what you do, he will never say F your birthday.
He might.
Right.
He might.
Yeah.
After the fourth or fifth letter,
Okay, there
maybe.
you go.
And I don't know how his handwriting is. It might look more like a ransom note.
Yes, that's true.
Honey, I think someone has your mom. And I think they work at a radio station.
Yeah, they know your birthday.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The SWAT team will be called. Yeah, I think you're right. Doesn't seem to rise to the level of lawsuit, but I would have a word with the employee. Plus, she said, who's the manager? He goes, I'm the effing manager.
Yeah.
And he's probably right.
Yeah.
Probably is. He's 20 years old.
You know what I love? On Jersey Mike's website, they have a whole section that just says culture. And I'm like, if I was running that website for fun, I might put his picture up there for the day.
Oh, yes.
Culture.
I'm Team Jersey Mike's all the way.
Are you?
Their sub is amazing. And, I'm gluten-free. They have a wonderful gluten-free bun. I love that place.
I must say, their sandwiches are fantastic. And I am a Shore Points Club member.
Oh, heck yeah.
I am.
Heck yeah.
They give you
I had so many Shore Points that somebody stole my Shore Points account.
What?
And I had to change my phone number because somebody hijacked it.
No.
So I had
It
to
happens, believe it or not.
Really? They take your phone number?
You know I work.
Oh, yeah. you
Yeah,
work at
and
Marco's,
sometimes
yeah.
it'll
They steal
say,
your phone.
somebody will say, my points were there and now they're gone.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's
Oh,
like
yeah.
somebody will get your phone number or just try it and hope.
Yeah.
Well, remember, I think Food Lion did a thing once where they changed how they do their MVP shopping. Well, it's like 25 people were using the same phone number. And the guy who really had the phone number was like, why do I keep losing my,
Yeah.
they were just using that phone number.
Yeah.
Weird. This also we debated this week. A man in Florida has been charged after trying to sell a sea turtle shell online. He's trying to sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Now, he's saying, I didn't kill the turtle. And they're saying, it doesn't matter. You've got the shell. You're in trouble just for trying to sell it. Can he plead ignorance here, Lisa, or is he going to be in some real trouble?
No, he's in real trouble. He has been arrested. He faces up to 5 years in prison. This is a violation of both state and federal law. This particular turtle is one of the most endangered species of turtles that there are, and it is he tried to sell it on Marketplace for $2,700. It's a third-degree felony. It's the Atlantic hawksbill sea turtle, and it is super protected. And so while he might not serve 5 years, there's going to be a big consequence for this because I think, the idea is even if he didn't kill it, if you promote or allow the sale of these items, then someone's going to kill these animals so that they can make that money.
Well, yes, but if I'm walking down the beach and I find a turtle shell and I think, oh, well, that's interesting, and I use it as a chip and dip, at a party, and there it is.
Right.
And somebody says, you SOB.
This dip tastes weird.
You killed that turtle.
Yes. You can't even possess the thing. Can't I say,
No.
oh, my God, I had no idea. I just found this walking the beach. You don't think they'd drop the charges then?
Well, if he had just held on to it as a chip and dip tray, then that would have been probably fine. But he's trying to sell it, which is the big no-no.
I feel like he maybe didn't know, though, because to just sell it on Facebook Marketplace.
That's what I thought. But $2,700.
Yeah, that was a pretty hefty
Yeah,
price
that's
for
true.
a turtle shell.
He may have looked into it to put the pricing on there, And I like an original chip and dip. I like something that's a conversation piece. That's all I'll say. Okay, that's what I'll say about it.
Did this used to be a turtle? It did. You should have told us that earlier.
Freshen up your drink for you. How's that dip? There's a grocery store coming under some criticism here, but did they do anything legally wrong? Vons is the name of the grocery store in California. Someone died over in bakery, and they kept the store open for a while other people shopped, and they tried to put, I believe, grocery carts and other things around the person so that nobody noticed there was a dead body laying on the floor for a while. Lisa, is there anything legally wrong with doing that? Should they have closed the store?
Well, should they have closed the store is more of kind of, the court of public opinion than it is an illegality. They didn't do anything illegal, but they opened up umbrellas and covered his body with the umbrellas.
That's right.
Open umbrellas so you couldn't see. And then they surrounded that with shopping carts so that nobody would mess with it.
Yes.
And people were pretty appalled, including an employee who came forward and talked to the media and said, this is what upper management instructed me to do. More of a PR problem. I think they may have been trying to adhere to, there's a law in California that is the coroner notification law, and it says you cannot move a body or otherwise disturb a body. You have to wait till the coroner can get there, and apparently it took a really long time for the coroner to get there. So the store remained open for like 5 hours with this dead body in there. And people just walking through the bakery, looking for their sourdough, and they're walking past this dead guy.
I would have lied.
It's kind of crazy. But the only thing that I was really, if you're really stretching to find a lawsuit here, the family of the dead guy knew that was their loved one that was in there with people shopping around him. And so they were pretty upset about it.
Yeah.
Maybe, if you really wanted to stretch it, you could have an emotional distress claim there, but I don't think anybody's going to do anything. That's pretty far-fetched.
Okay.
I would have lied and said we're setting up an amazing new display.
Yeah. It's going to be incredible.
What's under the umbrellas? You wait. Just wait.
Yeah.
Wait
Got to run a power drill once in a while.
We're decorating early for Halloween.
Yeah, this is going to be really something.
Real life.
This is going to be something. Just a quick aside, too. A Florida man in his 50s has been sentenced after being caught in a masturbatory relationship with a vacuum cleaner. I'll quote B.B. Shea, is that against the law? Lisa, what country do we wake up in? What?
It's more about the fact that he was performing sex acts in public, and he pled it down to indecent exposure. So he's done, he got 12 months probation, and he paid a whopping $271 fine, and he's been ordered to undergo psychosexual psychiatric examination.
And stay away from all vacuum cleaner appliances.
Neighbors are like, who's vacuuming this early? It's in his yard.
It was a Kenmore. I've never even heard of a Kenmore. I don't even what Kenmore vacuum cleaner is out there.
You got to stay away from all Kenmore appliances, microwaves, everything. Washing machines. He's out.
God.
By the way, they ordered that woman, the woman we talked about earlier. She's no longer allowed in Jersey Mike's.
Really? She's been banned.
She's banned from Jersey Mike. That's right. Which would really be, now that's a punishment, I would say. Last minute story, too, coming in from North Dakota. There's a